When a man I get taking a quamon, when the man jamon, and well, when be queen in Ghana. And when bring with the news of ENM in Ghana, and they buy someone, they buy some air, no where the that they have settled and everything has. I see this no fakalotam malo luonyobana. That in another way, some of the things noticing outside this country called Nigeria. Once you are outside Nigeria, in anything, they don't care who you are. Or Nigeria cable. Knows awful anwa. Kabes be more the difference between Onya Hausa, Onye Igbo, and Onye Yoruba. News in outside Ghana, Ghana, about Nigerian sugar, but who are the mostly affected in the Igbo. Why? Because in the Igbo erect properties. Igbo erect projects, massive structures, massive things. Ebo Nigeria dominate here, which is our identity normally. When you ban hand when are we going to start using our brain? Getting why you use our brain to do something. Ketandi Ghana naga image shop on the Igbo. Ndi Ghana naga image onwegonye Yoruba efo image shop ya there. Yobuna many Nigerians outside this country, Nigeria, they mean 60% to 70% of the Igbo affect. Nkoya here send the buy na ofaka lota malonji ujuzuha that man now no matter hobu no chukwa anya square bonobu ezigbo ihe no bi mana why did you want to overshadow the people? Osquare boni made that video 50 years ago, ni made that video 10 years ago. Oburo onwere egba na agbakita igbapia gete man no sound ya. Onwere egba abi egba kita anu ngba na ngba pempasi gwangwa muda so number no number. Kedu that's no number. So I don't know why we put an actually justify here and where they say no can in the bike I mokwane kai mutakene case no loki. Kai mutakene case no loki. So that in the ngobodo potati bempu ka say on Nigeria enwekwa these people, this kind of people enwekwa problem. Okay, say can get all re-strategize. Can malanda ya achopo. Na be kwan na these people hang with so many ethnic and do to enwe problem. Mana no matter what oyemende by affect. Oyemende by affect. Kidonye mela ya. Na the video ko no focus e mechi shop on the Igbo. Na Ghana fonde na so na nwere he na eme. No me be side nke doesn't mean no dey eme. What is the way forward? Me kuya. Can I share this video? And then this video.
Yes. You leave your shop open and you tell me to close my own. To this sound.
My shop, my office is closed. My office is closed now.
It's closed.
Yes.
W. All the shops are open.
So
Uncle, I'm not the only, I can't open only my shop. If there's an announcement that everybody should close shop, I will comply.
No, we are not getting what you are saying. We are not getting what you are saying. We are saying that
foreign nationals.
We are saying that
foreigners.
Yes.
Oh, I don't know foreigners.
We are saying that.
What are you saying?
We are saying that all the foreigners should close their shop.
Are you insulting me?
I'm not insulting you.
Why do you say that? We will open our shop.
Keep quiet.
Why do you do that?
How dare you? You can get somebody.
What are you saying? Afraid of God.
Afraid of God. You are threatening me. I'll get you arrested. You are threatening me.
don't do that.
We are talking. We are talking peacefully.
I like it. How dare you? How dare you tell me that?
I do.
How dare you tell me that? How dare you talk? How dare you talk like that?
I do.
I'm also talking peacefully. I'm not fighting. I'm also talking peacefully. Why you know me? Why you know me? Who tell you that?
We know you. We know you.
So
we know you.
No, the chairman said that there is evidence that I'm telling you.
So once you are foreigner, we are calling you to come. Let's sit down.
That's all. Very well.
Come, let's sit down. But come, let's sit down.
I told Mr.
We know
Toba.
that.
I will come. I will come. Give me an appointment. I will come. I'm not running away.
2 o'clock.
I'm here.
No, the shop need to close down.
I don't know.
I'm asking you to comply in the market.
I don't know what I want to comply to.
Yes, so you have to come to us. I'm the chairman in the market. I'm calling upon Nigerians. You're a Nigerian. Just come and see me. That's all.
So by closing shop.
Yes.
How?
Because we have issues in the market.
We have been here for long.
It doesn't matter. I know you. I know you. But you see,
we have regularized all documents.
70% of people, yes, I
2007,
understand.
it's not today.
A lot of people have closed their shop. We are not different from anybody.
And different from anybody.
No. We are all human beings.
And
so if people are
if
complying,
they close their shop, maybe they know they have skeleton.
no,
in their
nobody has skeleton. Nobody has
so
skeleton.
myself, and
we called the Nigerians to meet with them concerning issues in the market.
Have you given us?
Yes,
there's no written letter.
We've made announcements in the market. We've written to. These are your elders in the market.
Chairman.
CY, Monken. Yes.
And one of the elders.
Okay, so did they?
You see what's happened. If
you see
if you want to do it in a way that you have respect for us as
we have, that is why I didn't bring the police or immigration.
Have respect for you. What you do, you write us. We have
I've written to them.
We have association.
I've written to them.
We didn't receive any letter.
Ask them. CY is there. I've sat down. Yes, ask them. I've sat down with them
as far as
on
I'm
3 occasions.
And the national
Nigeria, we can't do it. It's against the law. You understand? So if we find any Ghanaian fronting for a Nigerian, we are going to prosecute the person. We are going to take the person. Yes.
Will you admit that? So you can learn from them.
Oh, the Ghanaians do better. Ghanaians do better. I will not admit that. Ghanaians do better. But you see, the problem is they are invading the market. You understand? They are wholesaling to the Ghanaians and at the same time doing retailing in the market. So we can compete. So they will do better. Because if a Nigerian is wholesaling to me and doing retail in the market, obviously he is going to do better than me because he is giving me the product. And that is what we don't want in the market. The GIPC law states that all foreigners should do supply in the market, wholesaling, not retailing. So if a Nigerian or a Japanese or a Lebanese a foreigner is selling in the market, then obviously the Ghanaian is not going to do better. You understand? So these are the challenges that we have.
Anybody to insult me. I'm not those Nigerian here illegal. I'm not those illegal Nigerian guys here. I'm not those illegal here. That's why I want to know. I don't want them to say that this is illegal here. I'm here now for 20 years. All my children are having Ghana passport. Listen. So if the shop is for my guys, come and close. I will listen to you. I don't know you. The same way I don't know you. Monkey is in Nigeria. And so what? Monkey is in Nigeria. This shop is Ghanaian.
You people don't respect them. You go to Nigeria, can you do what you are doing there? You go to shop, if you go and buy something, they'll charge you. What do you mean? Have you seen any Ghana selling in Nigeria before? You think we are joking?
If
you go, when you come, you don't take any Ghanaian. You go, they will bring you there. They will come and fool you.
make we take a hand rock. Come on, make we take a hand rock.
Go Nigeria now.
Yes, una forgot the video. This is total harassment. Obona Nigerians somewhere, Obona ndi Igbo and the bodies in charge where adequate bodies that protects the property and the life of people abroad that is working. This type of thing I name. For being an Igbo person alone, you already an enemy to the system. So you being born as Igbo, you are already an enemy to the system. Actually, money, give them off money, you are already an enemy to the system. Take it or leave it. Now, get the way forward. The way forward is konyo bona duo onwe ya odo. Stop engaging in crime that will bring your brother problem. Inolobe mmadu wulu for banolo. Do not pour all your eggs in one basket. Never you pour all your eggs in one basket. This is a proverb. Ikwena ka ihe na nwetara na achabaga n'anya. Stop engaging and leaking the secret of your people to the indigenes of that place. Gina ha mekọ ihe, be on a neutral ground. Don't give them that ground that na enwem 5 shops eba, enwem 2 shops eba, enwem 24 warehouses, enwem 30 containers na abata na Ghana, enwem shop ebe dị otu a, nwe ebe dị otu a. N'ọlụ ka asị na nwere ihe ma. Because ekwulu na-ebute anya ukwu. If a man that video is comprises of hatred and envy. It's a complete of hatred and envy. Ashokata mkamma na mmafu ebe na drive ndị Yoruba monda Hausa up of the state. Mana ihe niile na-eme bụ ndị Igbo. Ihe na-eme bụ ndị Igbo. Does it mean other tribe anọrọ? Ha nọ mana ndị be anyị bidi. Okay, and anyị na-eme ya. Yes, ọgaranya gwomgwomgwom. Ọgaranya gwomgwomgwom na Ghana, ọgaranya gwomgwomgwom na Southern Sudan. Chief of ndị Army Defense na kata onewu. Atufu akpụrụkpụ afa n'eto gị. Una na-eme ihe ego ya bụ je event una anọlụlụ oke. Ndị Igbo anyị atakwa n'afọ too much. Anyị atago afọ too much. Anyị atago too much. Is that not high time money? I hear some of you. I don't know why in the chocolate opportunity. An opportunity cross or somewhere. They would like to close that road as a gafe. Say, do not close that road because you will surely pass it when coming back. You will surely pass that road when coming back. God,